Hello, I'm Sandra from Mapro Knight Frank. Welcome to this beautiful villa in the exclusive community of Fazenda Santiago, just a stone's throw from Vale, Lobo. This elegant 3-bedroom home sits on a generous southwest-facing plot that blends timeless charm with refined modern touches. The open-plan living and dining area is filled with natural light and features a cozy wood-burning fireplace, perfect for year-round comfort. This space flows effortlessly onto the south-facing terrace, ideal for al fresco dining. Plus, you have the additional advantage of a heated saltwater pool. The fully fitted and equipped kitchen offers plenty of space for cooking and entertaining. Plus, it opens out onto a private patio with direct access to the garage, making it easy to bring in your shopping. Two spacious bedroom suites are located on the ground floor, both with direct garden access and ensuite bathrooms. Upstairs, the entire level is dedicated to the stunning primary suite, with high ceilings and plenty of natural light. Complete with a dressing area, a luxurious ensuite, and a private balcony with gorgeous views. Outside, the landscaped gardens feature a variety of fruit trees with a newly built wooden pergola, ideal for outdoor dining or entertaining in style. Fazenda Santiago is a secure gated community with 24/7 security and exclusive access to tennis courts, a gym, and a sauna. Whether you're looking for a family home, a holiday escape, or a smart investment, this villa is for you. For more information, check our website, reference 4156, or better yet, contact me directly. Thank you for watching.